In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily update the favicon of your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. A favicon is that small yet recognizable icon displayed on the Browser tab next to your page title. It's a tiny detail, but a crucial piece in establishing your online brand identity. Before we dive into the process, make sure you have your favicon file ready. It should be in .ico, .png, or .svg format, and ideally have dimensions of 32 by 32 or 48 by 48 pixels for optimal display. Let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to your Website Builder dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, from which you can manage and customize various elements of your website. In the left sidebar, you'll find a variety of options, but for our purpose today, we are focusing on General Settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now, as you scroll down through the settings, keep an eye out for the section labeled Favicon. This is where you'll be able to update or change that little icon that represents your website. When you've found it, you will see an option to either upload or change your current favicon. Click on that option, which will prompt you to select your new favicon file from your device. Remember, as we mentioned earlier, your file should be in .ico, .png, or .svg format. After selecting your file, Hostinger will upload it, and you'll notice a preview of your new favicon appears. This preview is a great way to double-check that everything looks as expected before finalizing the change. If you're satisfied with how it looks, the final step is to click Publish. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Publish applies all the changes you've made and makes your new favicon live on your website. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, you have successfully updated your website's favicon on Hostinger. This small yet significant update will help your site stand out more effectively to users by reinforcing your brand's visual identity every time they visit or bookmark your page. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section and we'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.